This is how to set up Apple Pay on iPhone. To get started, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your country, you may see slightly different options. Tap on Debit or Credit Card. Then tap Continue. Now, you can either hold your card near your iPhone's camera to scan it, or, if it doesn't detect your card properly, or you prefer to enter it manually, tap Enter Card Details manually. Next, you're going to want to fill in your card information and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your card is added, you'll receive a verification code on your phone number. Enter the code to verify your card. After that, you'll be asked if you want to set this card as your default payment method. If you've added multiple cards, you can change the default one anytime by dragging it to the front of your wallet. Now for quick access, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure the double-click side button is enabled. This way, you can quickly double-press the side button, hold your iPhone near the terminal, and tap to pay. And that's it. If Apple Wallet isn't supported in your country, check out this detailed video. Thanks for watching.